For me, language has a lot of barriers that I can't really get through, and they stop me from really expressing everything that I'm trying to say. And I can say a lot more through my work that, in knives than I can with language. These knives are basically representations of the best version of myself that I could possibly create. As artists, you never really achieve perfection. It doesn't really exist anywhere but your head. So the strive to try and create something that is as close to your vision as you can possibly make it is really, really cool. My hope when someone picks up one of my knives is that they're actually taken back by it, and they didn't know that something like that could exist. To make these knives, it takes persistence, and it takes a dedication that doesn't come from money, and it doesn't come from time. It comes from the strive to make these knives as perfect as we possibly can for the sake of making them better.